Greetings, families and friends. It's being reported that dancehall artist Alcohol has been shot in Kingston, ladies and gentlemen. It's a breaking news. I'm Rastafari Soldier, and if this is your first time tuning in, hit that red subscribe button, and we'll have a Greetings, my families and friends. Thank you for tuning in Deep Roots TV. Welcome to the channel. If you have not subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. Build up the Rastaman panel. Become a Rastaman subscriber. Now, dancehall artist Alcohol is a youth that I personally know. Unfortunately, he has been shot and killed in Kingston, ladies and gentlemen. This artist, Alcohol, had a tough life, to tell you the truth, because he was the son of a crack addict young woman. Now, this artist here tried to keep it on the straight and narrow way by choosing music as his singular focus as he chased his dreams, ladies and gentlemen. Sadly, the dream was cut short when he was shot and killed by an unknown assailant at the intersection of Sandringham and Burlingham Avenue in Kingston 10 this morning. The artist, whose real name is Emmanuel Ascension, was only 25. Celestin is a musician that, like I said, I know personally. The music industry insiders are shocked by the youngster's murder. I can't believe he's gone. Jamaica, gone. The place, unstable. He had so much potential. I can't believe this all now. His family member told me at the interview when I checked in on him. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's a killing that is shocking to everybody. Okay? Everybody is like calling out to stop this violence that these artists are going through. It appears that being a Jamaican artist or a rapper is the most endangered employment on planet Earth. Now, it is unfortunate as Valiant and other artists send their condolences, ladies and gentlemen. Reports are from the Halfway Tree Police are that about 1 a.m. residents heard explosions and summoned them. On arrival of the lawman, Celestin was seen laying on the ground with gunshot wounds. He was taken to the hospital where he was pronounced dead on arrival. No motive has yet been established for his killing. In 2021, Alcohol linked a deal with label Push, a youth record. Before that, he carved out a reputation of clashing other DJ and artists, which resulted in him becoming one of the well-known clash artists and lyricists. He had cultivated a decent understanding following with tracks like Think Smart and Sub-Zero. He recorded a single called Long Time, which was released on a Chase Mill record label in December of 2022. Now, Alcohol had a solid run during 2022 where he was featured on 2 Islands tour. He also released his debut EP and worked with international producer featuring standout song like Think Smart, Survival, and the club banger Timmy Turner. He was all about pushing brand Alcohol. For the year, he was getting better and better. These songs were some of his best material, and he was going to focus on more on his lyric side. So for him to be snatched from us, ladies and gentlemen, like this is hard to the stomach, Mr. Thomas said. It is an unfortunate situation, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a well-known artist, DJ Alcohol, snatched from us, taken away from the dancehall scene, taken away from his family, taken away with so much potential. And again, no suspect, no motive. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here, Deep Roots TV. the police in the Kingston area there asking if anyone have any information about the brutal and untimely killing of this artist here, Manuel Asselston, which is known as Alcohol to his compatriot and to the music world. Police is asking you to call your local police station, provide information, and also you can call the 119 number, remain anonymous. I'm Rastafari Soldier here off Deep Roots TV reporting live. Dancehall artist, Alcohol, has been taken from us, wiped out. A single fire line, a single moment. We have to understand that, ladies and gentlemen. We have to send our condolences to the dancehall industry right now. We have to send our condolences to Alcohol's family. And it's a shame. So my general, me I tell us, rest in peace, R.I.P. I'm Rastafari Soldier here off Deep Roots TV. Hit that red subscribe button. Yeah, if you want to roll with me. I'm more life. I'm more joy. Yeah, and absolutely more nappiness. I'm here asking out there, family and friend. Stay blessed. Say hi to your friend.
We're watching Deep Roots TV!
So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people, I put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep Roots flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon Deep Roots full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier real fire king. Yeah, balalang man,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.
Yeah man, big up to Deep Roots. Yeah man, you want to hear the tune? Tune into Deep Roots. Up top. Put it up.